Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest error. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest error, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest here. Then in this list of app info, you will go to click first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and you will turn off your Wi-Fi here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.